Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting directly to the TP-Link network and opening the router interface. This gives you full control. Once connected, log in using the admin username and password. Use the Tether app if you prefer mobile flow. Make sure firmware is up to date so parental controls behave predictably. After that, navigate to the Basic or Advanced tab and select Parental Controls to start creating rules. You're now positioned to define who, when, and what gets restricted. You'll now build the control logic. Create a profile and name it clearly for easy management. Next, assign devices by selecting connected clients or entering MAC addresses so rules apply precisely. Once devices are assigned, set the schedule, choose school hours, bedtime, or custom blocks, and define daily time limits in hours and minutes. Then pick content filters or enter blocked keywords and websites. This combination of schedule plus content filtering ensures the restrictions match your family's needs. Once rules are configured, save and apply them, and if prompted, reboot the router so every client receives updated policies. You should test from one of the child devices to confirm blocking and schedules operate as expected. Try a blocked site and access during a restricted time. If something doesn't work, make sure the device's MAC matches the profile, firmware is current, and the device isn't on a guest or separate VLAN. Adjust rules and retest until it's reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.